Hey there, the first 24 hours is very crucial. This determines whether YouTube is going to push your video out there more and more as soon as you upload it or not. That's why it is important for you to engage with your audience within the first few hours of you posting your video. If someone comments on your video and they're asking a question, go ahead, respond to that question. In case a comment is positive, just drop a like on that comment. All this contributes towards audience engagement. The engagement metric on YouTube is very significant for the YouTube algorithm, because the higher the engagement and hopefully the higher the retention rate, most likely is when YouTube is going to push your videos out there. A matter of fact, the goal is to get a video to the recommended videos under YouTube. In case you can jump to recommended, most likely your video is going to perform very well. So put some effort beyond just shooting a video, editing it and uploading to also engage with your audience. Go through the comments most of the first few hours to engage with your audience, because this is a positive signal for the YouTube algorithm. What do you think? Do you always engage with your audience? Are you the kind of YouTuber who ignore the comments people put down on your video and so forth? Share with us your thoughts down below. What is your experience like? You engaging with your audience versus you ignoring the comments they're inputting in your video. Share with us. Let's learn together. But I think you engaging with your audience more so within the first 24 hours is crucial in determining how your video is going to do for the short term and also for the long term on the platform.